In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your connection is not private in Google Chrome. As you can see, this is the message that appears when you're trying to visit a website that you know is legal or legitimate. So let's try and fix this problem. So let's enter Google Chrome. And then over here, just click on the three dots at the top right, and then click on Settings, so right here. And then over here, just click on Privacy and Security at the left, and then click on Security. Scroll down until you see the Secure Connections section, and then over here next to the Always Use Secure Connections, make sure this is disabled, just like that. And now when you want to visit your website, make sure that when you type it in, you type it in without this S next to the HTTP. So just remove the S, and then you can continue the website name, and that should allow you in without this error message. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.